Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to my science online class. So, we were discussing 6th chapter from your science book, right? The chapter name is Our Teeth. In our previous class, we discussed about types of teeth, structure of a tooth, right? So, today we are going to continue that chapter and we'll discuss the rest topics. Okay, so all of you open your books, page number 55. See, care of teeth. How can we care our teeth to keep the teeth healthy and strong? See, proper care of teeth is necessary for keeping the teeth healthy and strong. So we have to take proper care for the healthy and strong teeth. When we eat, tiny bites of food get stuck in the spaces between our teeth. So when we eat, some amount of or little bit of food stuck in the spaces between our teeth. There is some spaces in between our teeth. So in that spaces, tiny bites of food get stuck. The sugar present in the food produces acid. So sugar present in the food and that sugar produces acid. This acid attacks the enamel, causing tooth decay and cavities. So after producing the acid, that acid attacks the enamel part of the tooth, which cause decay and cavities. We need to clean them out, otherwise germs can grow there and form a sticky yellow layer called plaque. And if we do not clean them, then germs can grow there and form a sticky yellow layer, which is known as plaque. Okay? Proper brushing with a toothbrush, toothpaste and water can remove this plaque. So if we used to do proper brushing with a toothbrush, toothpaste and water, then that sticky yellow layer will be removed and that plaque will be removed. Brush your teeth using circular or up and down motion. We have to brush like circular motion or up and down. Okay? Ways to protect our teeth. How can we protect our teeth? What are the ways? We must take care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. So we have to take proper care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. We must brush our teeth at least twice a day. We have to brush at least twice a day, 2 times. Once in the morning and once before going to bed. Once in the morning and once before going to bed, before our sleep at night. We should rinse our mouth well after every meal. So we have to rinse our mouth after each and every meal. Remember this. We should also clean the tongue to remove germs. We should also clean the tongue. Why? To remove germs. Germs attack our teeth and also cause bad breath. If we do not clean our teeth and also tongue, it will cause bad breath. So we have to clean our teeth and also as well as we have to clean our tongue. We should eat healthy food like fruits, vegetables and nuts to make our teeth and gums strong. We should avoid eating too much sweets and chocolates, as sugar present in them may spoil our teeth. We should eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts. These all are very important and very important for our teeth. Okay? And we should avoid eating too much sweets and chocolates. Why? Because sugar present in that sweets and chocolates which may spoil our teeth, which may destroy our teeth. We should visit the dentist at regular intervals for checkups. We should visit the dentist for regular checkup of our teeth. calcium is very important for healthy and strong teeth. So calcium is very important for healthy and strong teeth. We get it mainly from milk, curd, cheese and other milk products. This milk, curd, cheese, these are the sources of calcium. So we should eat all this, okay, to get calcium. Calcium is very important for our teeth. Okay students, see the pictures. Brushing the teeth, cleaning the tongue. So by these ways we can protect our teeth. See, fact to know, enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Which is the hardest substance in our body? Enamel. Remember this. Eating salads and fruits gives a lot of exercise to our gums and improves the flow of blood inside them. So we should eat salads and fruits because they gives a lot of exercise to our gums and improves the blood flow inside them. 4. Wisdom teeth grow at the back of the mouth from the age of 17 to 25. From the age of 17 to 25, 4 wisdom teeth grow at the back of the mouth. Let us recall, our teeth helps in biting and chewing the food. We know this. Our teeth helps us in biting and chewing the food. We have 2 sets of teeth, temporary and permanent. There are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. We have already discussed about this in our previous class. A tooth has 3 parts: crown, neck and root. Brushing twice a day keeps the teeth free from germs. So we should brush twice a day. Word meaning, see, cavities, a decayed part of a tooth. Cavities means a decayed part of a tooth. Gums or gum, the firm tissue that surrounds and supports the neck of the teeth. Gum is the tissue which surrounds and supports the neck of the teeth. Grind, to crush the food in small and thin particles. Grind means to crush the food in small and thin particles. Thin means very small particles. Permanent, lasting for a long time. Temporary, for a small period. Germs, harmful microbes or bacteria. These are known as germs. Understand? So this is about our teeth. Hope all of you understand this chapter. It's your today's class. If you have any confusion, contact me, okay? So thank you. Have a nice day ahead.